Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Tausasan. In this video, we'll make a CPU monitor by Python. The length of the video will be much longer, so we will separate the video in 3 parts. Let's start our today's video. It will be the first part of this series. We'll need 2 modules for the project. Let's import the modules. And we'll import Tkinter as Tk, and from Tkinter we'll import Ttk. Now we're going to make a class named CPU Monitor. CPU Monitor. Now we're going to make a function under this class. We'll also write a root. Done. Self dot root equal to self dot root dot title CPU monitor. Now we are going to add the label. Why there isn't come in the suggestion? Tttk dot label root, then text equal to e CPU uses USAGES. So dot level dot back, and we are going to give padding 10. Self dot. Now we are going to make a progress bar. Progress bar. Okay. Not. Take it to progress bar. Root. Then equal to 200. Equal to minute. Progress bar dot back. padding will be equal to 10 10. Self.stop. Sorry, at first we're going to add start button. Start PU double TO start button. Go to TTT K dot button TTT go to button root where the suggestion is coming root. Then we're going to add text will be start monitoring ring. And comment to self dot start monitoring. Now we're going to make start button self dot stop we can simply copy this line START start and here will stop stop and here will also stop then if self dot is monitoring to FAL also false, and we're going to set the monitor inverter to 1. Sorry, monitor interval. Monitor interval equal to 1. Self dot update interval equal to 1000. We know 1000 millisecond equal to 1 second. Let's write it. 100 milli seconds equals to milliseconds. Thank you guys. This is the part 1 video. The next code will be written in part 2. Assalamualaikum. See you in the part 2. Bye.